Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to restore corrupted PDFs without losing any formatting or data. Whether it's a crucial document or a cherished memory, losing access to a PDF can be frustrating, but don't worry, we've got a solution that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. At Tony's Tech Studio, we use Stellar PDF Repair, a powerful tool that can restore corrupted PDFs to their original state, complete with all formatting and data intact. It's essential to acknowledge that although the tool is effective, it also poses potential risks, including those related to data security and privacy. With Stellar PDF Repair, you can fix PDFs that won't open, are partially damaged, or have missing elements like headers, footers, and watermarks. Here's how it works. First, download and install Stellar PDF Repair from the link in the description box below. Once you've got it installed, launch the software and add the corrupted PDF file you want to repair. The software will then analyze the file and identify the issues. Next, click the Repair button and Stellar PDF Repair will work its magic. Depending on the file size and the extent of the corruption, this process might take a few minutes. But trust us, it's worth the wait. Once the repair is complete, you'll see a preview of your fixed PDF. If everything looks good, you can save the repaired file to a safe location. It's essential to save it to a different folder to avoid overwriting the original corrupted file. Stellar PDF Repair is straightforward to use, making the process of restoring your PDFs a breeze. It supports a wide range of PDF formats and can even restore multimedia content like videos and audio files, ensuring you don't lose any important data. So, don't let corrupted PDF files get in the way. Download Stellar PDF Repair today and start restoring your files. Click the link in the description box below to get started. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks.